Ace in the hole. The saying ace in the hole comes from a card game called poker. In poker, players get some cards they can see and some cards they keep hidden. These hidden cards are called hole cards. If your hole card is an ace, you're lucky. It's the best card. Now, people use ace in the hole to talk about any secret advantage you have. It's your secret weapon that can help you win in a tough situation. Example 1. Maria was nervous at her job interview. The other people had more experience, but she had a secret advantage. She spoke perfect English. The company was planning to work in other countries. Maria, I could use my English skills to help you talk to customers around the world. The interviewer was surprised. That's fantastic. You certainly had an ace in the hole. Maria's English fluency was her hidden advantage, her ace in the hole. She kept it secret until the right moment to impress the company and get a job. Example 2. Teenager Alex came home late from a movie with his friends. He lied to his mom. Alex, Mom, I wasn't breaking the rules. I was stuck at the library studying. Mom, let's see your library receipt then. Don't pull that ace in the hole excuse again. Alex believed that his lie about the library would help him avoid punishment, but his wise mom sees through his false excuse and demands proof. She used the phrase ace in the hole ironically to show she didn't believe him. Conclusion. So, ace in the hole means a secret trick or advantage you keep until you need it. Native English speakers use idioms frequently, so you may use this idiom as your ace in the hole to sound more like a native speaker yourself.